Class 9 Mathematics Comparing Quantities. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Chapter 7 will be start and the exercise is 7.2 and part is 4. So let us start in this part. So exercise 7.2. First question, find the compound interest and the total amount of the following. So first of all you can do the first part of, so principal P equal to, it is 7,000 and the rate of interest R is given as, it is 10% yearly, that is per annum, PA. Now time, that is the N, it is given as 4 years. Find the compound interest, that means CI is question mark and amount also question mark. Now apply the formula. P is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is N. Now amount A we will find. P is given as 7,000 and 1 plus R is given as 10%. So 10 upon 100 and whole power N is as a 4. So it is 7,000 and 0 will be cancelled to 0 and taking their LCM as a 10. So 10 plus 1 and whole power is 4. It is your amount. So let us do amount will be equal to 7,000 and here is 11 upon 4, 11 upon 10, not 4. 11 upon 10 and whole power is 4. So what will be happen here? 7,000 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10 into 11 upon 10. So 1, 2, 3 0 will be cancelled to this 3 0 like this. So what will be happen? 7 1 ja 7 and 7 1 ja 7. Here is 121 and 11 and divided by, it is 10. So your amount will be 10,248.70. So it's your first answer. And the compound interest CI is equal to A minus P. So let us see. A is 10,248.70 and principal is 7,000. So let us subtract here. 10 minus 7, that is the 3, 248.70. So that one is compound interest in rupees. So that will be your answer. It is also in rupees, so you have to write this one. So let us see the second part of this question. In this question, principal is given, P is equal to 6250 and rate of interest, that is the 12% yearly or per annum, and time, that is the 2 years. So let us see. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Amount P is given as 6250. 1 plus R is given as 12 and upon 100 and whole power is 2 only. It will be 62500. Here is 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja and then 5 ja. So taking their LCM as a 25, so 25 plus 3 and the whole power is 2. So 6250 into, it is 28 by 25 and whole power is 2. 6250 into 28 upon 25 into 28 upon 25. So let us start for the cancellation. 5 5 ja, and here is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 15. So you can say this one. Now 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, and 5 5 ja 25, and 1 0. 25 10 ja. So what will be happen? So amount will be equal to 10 into 28 into 28. Let us do the multiplication. 28 into 28. So that is the amount. So you can do the multiplication amount in rupees. So that will be your answer. Now find the compound interest. So CI is equal to A minus P. A is 7840 and minus 6250. Do the multiplication here. Subtraction, it is 6250. Here is 0, 14 minus 5, that is the 9, and here is 7, 7 minus 2, that is the 5, and here is 1. So it will be rupees 1590. It is the compound interest, and that is your answer. So let us see the next one, that is the third, and the principal is given as rupees 16,000, that is the 16,000. Rate of interest, that is the 5% per annum or yearly, and is given as 3. So let us start the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is N. So amount we can find there 16,000. R is 5%. So 5 100 and whole power is 3. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja. So A will be equal to 16,000, and taking the LCM 20, it is 20 plus 1 and whole power is 3. It is 16,000. Here is 21 upon 20 and whole power is 3. So let us start. A will be equal to 16,000 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. So 1 0, 2 0, 3 0 will be cancelled from this 3 0. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. So amount will be equal to multiply to this 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2, and it is your 441. So let us do the multiplication. It is 441 and it is 4 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8. Here is 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16 and 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17. It is 2 8 or 4 12 or 14 and 1 15, 7 and 1 8. So it will be this number. So 18522. It is the rupees amount one is. So first answer. Let us see the compound interest. It is A minus P. A is 18522 and P is given as 16,000. So 16,000. So do the subtraction. 2 and 2 5, and there is 8 minus 6, that is 2. So it will be equal to rupees 2522. So that will be your answer. It is the compound interest. So you will write and do very well. Now come to the second one. Rahul borrowed rupees, this one. So that one is the principal. So P is given as 1, 2, 5 and triple zero. Rate of interest, that is the 12% per annum. So you can say PA. Compounded interest from a bank to buy a car. What would be the total amount and the amount of interest after 3 years? So N is given as 3 years. So amount will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 and whole power is N. P is given as 1 to 5 triple zero. 1 plus R is 12 or upon 100 and whole power is 3. So 4 3 ja 12 and 4 2 ja and 4 5 ja. So 1 2 5 triple zero. Here is 1 plus 3 upon 25 and whole power is 3. It is 1 2 5 triple zero, taking their LCM as a 25. So 25 plus 3 and whole power is 3. It is your amount. So this will be your amount. Now we want to calculate this one. It is 1 2 5. How many zero? Triple zero. And this one is the 28. So 25 and 3, that is 28 upon 25 and whole power is 3. So 1 2 5 triple zero into 28 upon 25, once again 28 upon 25 and once again 28 upon 25. So 25 5 ja 125 and triple zero. Now 25 2 ja 50 double zero and 25 8 ja. So it will be 8 into 28 into 28. Yes, let us see here. So multiplication will be equal to here. It is 175616 rupees. So compound interest is A minus P. So it is 175616 minus 125000 and CI will be equal to rupees 50616 and that is your answer. Let us see. The question number 3. Find out the compound interest on rupees 50,000 deposit in a bank at the rate of 15% annual rate after 2 years. So let us start. That is, the principal is given as 50,000 and the rate of interest, that is the R, it is given as 15% per annum. So you have to write PA and the N is given as 2 years. So you have to write 2 years. So let the formula A will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So let us start. P is given as 50,000 and 1 plus R is given as 15%. So 15 upon 100 and whole power is 2. Now 5 3 ja 15 and 5 2 ja 10. So it will be 5000 50,000 and here is 1 plus 3 upon 20 whole square. Now 50,000 taking their LCM as a 20 and whole square, here is 20 plus 3. So it becomes 23. So 50,000 and here is 23 upon 20 and whole power is 2. So let us do the calculation. It is 50,000 and that one is the 23 upon 20 and here is 23 upon 20. 1020. Here is 20 will be cancelled out and 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Once again 2 1 ja 2. Here is 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja. So A will be equal to 125 into, so that will be your 66125 rupees. So you have to write rupees. Now find the compound interest CI. CI is equal to A minus P. A is given as 66125 and P is given as 50,000. So what will be happen? It is 16125. So this rupees will be the compound interest. So that one is your answer. Let us start your fourth question. That is the fourth question. Calculate the simple and compound interest at the rate of 5%. That means rate is given as 5% annual rate and rupees on rupees. So that is the principal. It is given as 1260 rupees. After 2 years, that means it is your N is 2 years. So it is also called as T. First of all, we want to calculate the simple interest. So SI will be equal to PRT upon 100. So P is given as 1260, R is 5% and T is 2 year upon 0. Now 10 will be cancelled here. 5 2 ja 10 and 2 1 ja 2. So your amount is simple rupees, that is 126 rupees. It is the SI. Now for the amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Put the value. P is 1260. 1 plus R is given as how much? 5%. So 5 upon 100 and whole power N is, that is 2. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So it is 1260 and here is 1 plus 1 upon 20 and whole power is 2. So 1260, taking the LCM, it's 20. So 20 plus 1. So whole square. So that means 1260 into 21 upon 20 and whole square. It is 1260 into 21 upon 20 into 21 upon 20. So 0 will be cancelled to this 0 and 2 1 ja 2 and here is 2 6 ja 12 and 2 3 ja this one. So you can do the multiply. It is 63 and 21 into 21, that is the 441 and upon 20. So amount will be your 1389.15. So you can find the compound interest CI will be A minus P. So A is given as amount is 1389.15 and the principal is given as 1260.00. Subtract this one. So we get 5 1 point, it is 9 and here is 2 and 1. So that will be your compound interest CI. So compound interest is 129.15 rupees and the simple interest is the 126 rupees. So that is your answer. So you have to write your answer. Let us start the next one, that is the fifth question. Find the difference between the amount of compound interest and simple interest. On the principal amount is, principal is given as, P is given as 8,000 rupees. At annual interest of rate is 10%. So R is given as 10% and the time T or N is given as 2 years. Let us start how can find the difference between amount of the compound interest and simple interest. First of all, we want to the simple interest. SI is equal to PRT upon 100. P is given as 8000, R is 10% and time will be 2 and here is 100. So 0 cancel with 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So 8 to the 16. So it is the SI simple interest. So SY will be rupees 1600. Let us start the amount. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. P is given as 8000 and 1 plus R is 10%. So 10 upon 100 and whole power is 2. So 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 8000 taking their LCM as a 10. So 10 plus 1 and whole power is 2. So it is 8000 into 11 upon 10 and whole power is 2. So 8000 into 11 into 11 and here is 10 into 10. So 0 cancel to this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled to this 0. So we get 80 into 121. So 8 1 ja 8 or 8 2 ja 16 and 8 1 ja 8 and 1 9 00. So that is the amount. Now find the compound interest CI. CI is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 9680 and minus 8000. So it will be 1680. It is CI. So CI is rupees 1680. Now the difference between CI minus SI. So let us do. CI is 1680 and SI is 1600. So that one is the 80 rupees. So you have to write difference is 80 rupees and that will be your answer. So you can do very well. So let us start the next question. Question number 6. Find out the compound interest after 1.5 years on an amount of 3000 at the rate of 8% annual rate of interest when the compounding of interest is half yearly. So it is the most important things half yearly. So principal is given as 3000 and the R is given as 8%. It is per annum or annually. So it is divided by 2 and it becomes half yearly. So it becomes 4% half yearly. It is R. Now n will be 1 and 1 by 2 year. So it is 3 by 2 year and multiply 2 half yearly. So 2 cancel with 2. So we get 3 half yearly. So that will be n. So for the amount we have the formula P 1 plus R upon 100 and to the power n. Now put the values. So A will be equal to 3000 and 1 plus R is given as that is the 4%. So 4 upon 100 and whole power is 3. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 4 2 ja 8 and 4 5 ja. So it will be 3000 and here is taking the LCM, it is 25. So 25 plus 1 and whole power is 3. So it will be 3000 into 26 upon 25 and whole power is 3. So 3000 into 26 into 26 into 26 and upon 25 into 25 into 25. Once again 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja. So here is 5 1 ja 5, here is 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. Once again 5 5 ja and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 4 ja. So it becomes 24 into 26 into 26 into 26 and divided by, so amount will be equal to 3374.59. So let us start your find the compound interest. So CI will be equal to A minus P. So A will be, it is 3374.59 and P is 3000.00. So subtract this. So we get 5 9, here is 4 and 7 and here is 3. So rupees, this one is the compound interest and that one is your answer. So let us start the seventh question of this exercise. How much interest would be we get from a bank of rupees 9000? So principal is given as 9000 rupees in a year with the quarterly compounded 8%. So that rate is given as 8% quarterly. Not quarterly, it is annual. It is per annum or annual. So it will be divided by 4% quarterly. So it becomes 2% quarterly. It is R. Now in a 1 year, only 1 year की बात कर रहा है ये. So your N will be equal to 1 year, but 1 year has 4 quarterly. So you can write here 4 quarterly and it's equal to 4 quarterly. Now apply the formula. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. Now put the value. P is, it is 9000 and 1 plus R is 2 upon 100 and whole power is 4. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 5 ja. So we get amount will be equal to 9000 and here is 1 plus 1 upon 50 and whole power is 4. So let us do 9000 taking the LCM as a 50. So 50 plus 1 and whole power is 4. So it will be 9000. Here is 51 upon 50 and whole power is 4. So we get 9000 into 51 upon 50, 51 upon 50 and once again 51 upon 50 and 51 upon 50. So 0, 0 and 30 will be cancelled out. So we get only 9 into 51, 51, 51, 51. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times and divided by, it will be 5, 5 ja. So it is the amount. That one is 9741.89. So now find the compound interest. As you know, CI is equal to A minus P. So A is 9741.89 and minus 9000. So we get only 741.89 rupees. So you have to write rupees and that one is your answer. So let us do the eighth question. It is your eighth question. find the compound interest on rupees. So it is the principal. So P is equal to 3500 after 1 year. In this question there is not percentage given, so let us the percentage is given as 8% per annum. So 8% per annum is given, so R will be equal to 8% per annum, but the compounded half yearly, so that is the most important things. So R will be equal to 8 divided by 2% half yearly. So that is the 4% half yearly. It is your R. Now N is given as, so after 1 year, so time is given as 1 year, so N is equal to 1 year. In 1 year there is two half yearly, so you can write two half yearly. So the apply the formula of amount is P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power N. So now P is given as 3500, 1 plus R is given as 8 upon 100 and whole power is 2. So 4 2 ja 8 and 4 25 ja. Now here is amount will be equal to 3500. Now taking the LCM as a 25, here is 25 plus 2 and whole power is 2. So amount will be equal to 3500, it is 27 upon 25 and whole power is 2. So 3500 into 27 upon 25 into 27 upon 25. So 5 5 ja and 5 7 ja. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5, 2 and 5 4 ja. 5 5 ja here and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 8 ja 40. So we get here 28. Now your amount will be equal to, that is the 4082.40. Now find the compound interest. CI will be equal to amount minus principal. So amount is given as 4082.40 and principal is 3500. So what will be happen? It is 82.40 and here is 35. So it becomes only 5. So that one is your answer. So let us see the next question, that is the ninth question. A man borrowed rupees 25,000. So that is the principal amount. It is 25,000. What total amount would he pay after 1 year? So time is given. If the rate of interest is 20% annually and compounded half yearly, and that is the most important things. So n is equal to 1 year, but it is compounded half yearly, so 2 half yearly. It will be n and rate, so it is given as 20% per annum, so it will be divided by 2, so 20 upon 2% half yearly. So that is the 10% half yearly. So that one is R. Now apply the formula. Amount will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 and to the power N. So amount is, P is 25,000 1 plus r is given as 10 and here is 100 and whole power is 2. 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 25000 and it is 1 plus 1 upon 10 and whole power is 2. So let us start. Amount will be equal to 25,000 and here we will be taking LCM as a 10. So 10 plus 1 and whole power is 2. Here is 25,000 into 11 upon 10 and whole power is 2. So 25,000 into 121 or that one is the 100. So 0 will be cancelled to 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. Now amount will be equal to 30250. So you can write the amount is equal to rupees 30250. So that one is your answer. Let us see the 10th question. Find the compound interest on for 6 months on rupees 10,000. So principal is given as 10,000. So you have to write 10,000. At annual rate of interest, a rate of interest is 12% per annum. Annual interest. Interest is compound every 3 months. That is the quarterly. So it is the quarterly. So you can divide it by 4. So R will be equal to 12 divided by 4% half yearly. It is quarterly. सो फोर थ्री जा 3% हो जाएगा ये क्वार्टरली के लिए आर. व्हाट अबाउट द एन. एन इज गिवन एज 6 month. So it is divided by 3. 6 upon 3 quarterly. So that will be equal to 2 quarterly. Now apply the formula. Amount will be equal to principal 1 plus r upon 100 and whole power is n. So a will be equal to, it is given as 10,000 principal and 1 plus r is given as 12% and whole power n is 2. So 12 3 ja 2 not so that 4 3 ja and 4 25 ja. So it will be 10,000 taking the LCM as a 25. So 25 plus 1, it is not 1, it is 3 and whole power is 2. So it will be 10,000 and it is 28 upon 25 and whole square. So 10,000 into 28 upon 25 into 28 upon 25. So 25 1 ja and 25 4 ja. So it will be 400 and what 5 5 ja and 5 8 ja. 5 1 ja 5 and it is 16 ja. Yes, your amount will be equal to 12,544. Now find the compound interest. It is CI A minus P. So 12,544 minus 10,000. So we get 2,544. So that is the compound interest. So you can say compound interest is rupees 254. So that one is your answer. So let us see the next question, that is the 11th question. How much money should Surjit deposit in the Punjab National Bank so that he gets rupees this? So that one is the amount. It is given as 6615 rupees. Now principal will be find out. So that is the question mark. And the rate of interest is given as 5%. So it will be your 5% per annum. 2 years you have to see here, that one is n is equal to 2 years. Let us start the formula. Amount will be equal to P 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Now put the values. A is given as 6615 plus r is given as 5 upon 100 and whole power n is, that is the 2. So 5, so 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10, so 20. So 6615 equal to P, and here is 1 plus 1 upon 20 and whole power is 2. So let us see, 6615 will be equal to P, taking their LCM, LCM is 20, so 20 plus 1 and whole power is 2. 6615 will be equal to P, and it will be 21 upon 20 and whole power is 2. 6615 equal to P, and that is 21 upon 20, and once again 21 upon 20. Now calculate the P. P is equal to 6615 into 20. Yes, what will be happen in this? So you can cut the 21, 1 ja 21, and it is cutting by 315, and after 21 it will be 15, and 15 into 20 into 20, so we get 6000. So that one is the principal. So that one is your answer. So let us see the 12th question. What amount would becomes, so principal will we find out. So amount is given as 18,522 rupees, and annual rate of interest is 10%. So rate is given as 10% per annum, 1.5 years. If the rate of interest calculated every 6 months, that is the half yearly. So you can, it's divided by 2, 10 divided by 2% half yearly. So it will be 5% half yearly. Now time is given as 1.5 years. So n is equal to 1.5 year. So it will be equal to 3 by 2 into 2 half yearly. So we get 3 half yearly. Now apply the formula. Amount will be equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. So amount is 18522. Principal we want to find. 1 plus R is given as 10%, so 10 upon 100 and whole power is n. Where is n? N is 3. So 0 cancel with 0. So 18522 will be equal to P, taking the LCM as a 10. So 10 plus 1 and whole power is 3. 18522 will be equal to P, and it will be 11 upon 10 and whole power is 3. So 18522 will be equal to P into 11 into 11 into 11 and divided by 10 into 10 into 10. So let us P will be equal to 18522. Here rate of interest is 5%, but I have taken 10%, so you have to write 5% because it is here 5% half yearly. So 5 upon 100. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So it becomes 20 plus 1 upon 20. So here is 21 upon 20. Now multiply here 21 into 21 into 21. here is 20, 20 into 20. Now let us see P equal to 18522 into 20. Yes, let us see. It will be 21 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20 into 20. So after this 18522 into 20 into 20 into 20 upon 21 into 21 into 21. Now cancel to this, 21 jar 21, and it will be 8 2 times. So once again 21 divided, it is 42 times, and once again 21, it is 2 times. Now multiply 2 into 20 into 20 into 20. So it will be gives 16,000. Our principal is 16,000. That is your answer. So ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज, और जो मैं यहीं तक रोक रहा हूँ इसको, वीडियो को, और आप लोगों को इसको शेयर करें, लाइक करें, और नीचे लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करें, जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके।